Guys, today Milo's calendar got an upgrade I'm super proud of. You can now quickly add tasks directly from any calendar view, day, week, month, or agenda. So let's go to the calendar view. And now, as you can see, my tasks are there, right? But what can I do is when I click on, for example, here, as you can see, I'm on the month view right now. And by the way, this is another feature that has been added, and it looks very similar to how it's done in the TickTick app. So you have the day, week, month, and agenda views, right? But now to quickly switch between them, here you can either press D to go to the day view, W to week, M for month, and A for agenda, or the numbers on your keyboard, right? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I will do 1, 2, 3, and 4, and also with the letters, so D, W, M, and A. So you can quickly go like this between the views, so you don't waste time waiting for or moving your mouse and actually clicking. You can quickly do it like so. Okay, so now let's see how it works in the day view. So this right here will be improved, but basically what I can do is to click here, and now I see the add to do model, right? So here I will type something like test and click on add, and now it's visible here. How cool is that? So the same thing will happen when I will go here, and here is the week view, right? So as you can see here, I already added some to-dos. So now let's say that I want to add something here on Friday. So I can do like this. So I can click, and now I drag down below. Let's say I will make it also from 12 a.m. to 2 a.m., right? So now I release the mouse button, and here I see once again the add to do, right? And now I will call this, let's say, welcome, right? Add, and it's here, and as you can see, it properly got updated. I mean, with the duration that I set, right? And I can resize it, so either remove the duration or increase it. So let's increase it, and as you can see, as I go, it will also show you on the top the visual indicator of where actually it currently is, the duration, right? So currently it's from 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. So let's do it, and as you can see, it's successfully it has been successfully updated. And I can also click here to edit the task, right? And let's say from welcome to welcome to, I hit save. That's done. And if now I will go to the to-dos view, so I press Command 2, I can see this task here, and the same model also here. So now what I can do is I can set the priority of the task, for example. So let's make it a high priority, right? Okay, that's not expected. Let's see it here. Once again, I will do, let's say high, once again. Yeah, now it works. So as you can see, the color of the tile has been changed based on the priority. So for the high priority, it's red. And now I will change it to medium, for example. And as you can see, it was successfully updated also. So another thing is, or is it actually, yeah, and the same here with the month view, right? So let's say that you want to quickly add a task on the to the specific day in the month, right? So I can just click on a tile. So let's say here, once again, add a new task, and by default it's set to 15 minutes when you create the task from the month view like that. And here I would say something like 1, 2, 3, add, and it's here. So I'm really excited about this feature, because this feature is the key reason why I switched from Things 3 app to the TickTick app. So the ability to basically create your tasks and edit them and also see them from the calendar view. So now it's also here on Milo. It will be soon testable, trust me. I think regarding Milo, that's it. So tomorrow I will be focusing on improving this functionality because it doesn't work perfectly. So yeah. So I think that's today wrapped up. More tomorrow. Thank you guys and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.